In this video, we're going to replace this coolant overflow reservoir in this 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. So we're going to go ahead and remove this 12mm bolt here. Then we're going to loosen up and remove this hose here by prying this hose clip together and pulling it backwards. So we'll go ahead and do that 12mm now. Pinch it together, move it up and out of the way, and then just go ahead and pull your hose straight off. And just remember, sometimes there is coolant in these tanks. This one does have a little coolant in it, so just have some kind of spill kit or towel handy. Now that we have the hose off, go ahead and pull our reservoir straight up, and there is a pin on the bottom that seats into the body and the fender well, holding it in place. We're going to go ahead and install our new coolant overflow tank. There is a pin here that seats straight down into the fender well. I'm going to go ahead and push that in place now. While doing that, you should be able to line up your top bolt like so. Now you can install your 12mm bolt to hold your overflow tank in place. Go ahead and tighten that down. Then you have your overflow line coming from your radiator into your tank. Go ahead and slide that over. And your press clip. Squeeze it together, slide it back down the line. And set it in place like so. You also want to make note of the two lines that are on your tank. One's a low line. One is a high or a full line. You want to make sure you at least have coolant to your low line. Using a funnel, we're going to put some fresh coolant in here to the low fill line. And once we run the vehicle, we will recheck that line and fill as needed to the maximum full line. So now we're going to go ahead and top off our overflow reservoir. This is 50-50 pre-diluted antifreeze. There's no need to add water to this. So we're going to go ahead and add below our fill line. Remove your funnel and close your cap. You want to make sure this cap is closed and seated. There is a little pressure in the system. You want to make sure it keeps the pressure that it needs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.